we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
Hey guys, Felix here, back in another video of Felix the King 2010. Sorry I've been gone for a while because I've been dealing with these animated videos, alright? It just takes long to make these. But I'm back, so today I'm doing another Try Not to Laugh challenge. Alright, let's go. Oh my god.
Open it and see.
It's your turn.
It's my turn.
I love summer.
What the heck? Oh, come on, man. Why would you do that?
Okay, you can peek at her.
What the hell? What the heck? Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. What's going on? Oh.
You can't scream because you're hurting the gator.
Is that an alligator? Oh.
Did you get a bug?
A bell. What's that? Oh.
No hands.
Wait, what's that?
Here, can I scoot over? Yeah.
Is that like cake or something? Oh, come on! Why would you do that? Oh, come on. What the? Holy hell. What the hell? What the hell? Come on. Wait. Oh, it's a fake spider.
Ready? Here we go.
Oh my god. Oh.
How do I look?
Like a alpaca?
A llama?
Like,
Oh my god. Wait, what? Oh. Oh god. Wait, what's that? God. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Oh. Huh?
Facts of interest. Pick your mix.
Hmm?
Introducing
What? Oh my god.
Excuse me?
Hi.
Annabelle!
What the hell? What is it doing?
This is terrifying.
Did you seriously got scared of that? Oh my god, it's a giant teddy bear.
Oh my. What? Oh, what? Look behind you. Stop. Don't. Look at you. Stop. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Submit your video for a chance to win huge prizes.
Wait,
More
hold up.
detail.
Okay, I'm back from that. Let's keep watching. Why would you scare your child like that?
Here, let me give you one, Rafiko.
Oh my god. Oh, oh shoot.
Are you okay?
Oh my god.
Oh. Oh my god. Wait, I'll be back real. Okay, I'm back. I just had to deal with something because my dog is kind of making a lot of noise. Hello? No, not in the garbage. Say hello to the people. No? Okay, you want to watch me with me? Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Oh. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god, run, man. Run. Oh my god, run. Run.
Dad, I'm gonna have a t-shirt and I just...
What's happening here? Oh, there's a... Oh.
Oh yeah, there it is.
What's this?
You really think I'm gonna pick that up and look at it? She got me more than you.
Alright, wait, what's this? Huh? Oh! She's screaming like hell. Take a bite of the pickle. Beer? Oh, it's those kind of beers.
Oh my goodness.
Today's Sunday.
Babe, can you hand me a screwdriver on the floor?
Where?
There.
Why would you do that?
Oh my god. Seriously?
You had a fun color day?
Yeah.
Why would you do that? Shoot.
Shoot!
Shoot. Oh my god.
Can you do turn around?
Turn it around. Oh! Leg! What the hell, man? You see what's happening? Huh? Oh my god. Wait, is it those filters?
Smile! I'm smiling!
it's not shoes.
Told ya.
It's cardboard.
It won't like push up. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Alright.
What are you doing? Stop it.
Tina, stop that! Let go! Let go of it! Let go!
Well, that was the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press on the like button and subscribe. And next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye! Say budra. Say budra. Never mind.